Ka la bobedi wala mashwabedi le metsumine kgweding ena ya Lwetse naga ya Afrika Borwa e ne keteka letsatsi la botjhaba mme setjhaba sa bagahla ba gafela sile sa kgobokana le setlheng moruleng Rustenburg go keteka letsatsi lena mme o kgwebo haeba post office e kwala mamati ya teng kgweding e tlang ya Mphalane tlasa kgaelo ya matlole a ho pholosa kgwebo sena e tlile ho ba sesupo sa pheletso ya engwe ya dikhamphane tse kgolo ka fetisisa Afrika Borwa mme tse dipapadi Proteas di malalalaotswe bakeng sa papadi le Island e re ke amohele mmohi ke thope ya Mokwatle ka la bobedi wala mashwabedi le metsumine kgweding ena ya Lwetse naga ya Afrika Borwa e ne keteka letsatsi la botjhaba mme setjhaba sa bagahla ba gafela sile sa kgobokana le setlheng moruleng Rustenburg go keteka letsatsi lena baiti ba bohlokwa go tswa merabeng e fapaneng ba ile ba e ba teng ba jwalo ka Kgosi Mampuru wa Limpopo ngaka Justice Pile ya Kgosi le mmino wa Batswana e bile karolo ya tsena tsohle re bile le puisano le Kgosi Mampuru mo a ileng a re jwetsa ka dikamano le selekana le khotla ena
ntshe gore segwera sa rena re le bapedi ba Mampuru ga mmogo le kgoshigadi ya rena mme kwa Motshegwe e thomile mengwageng ya go feta ga se gale ka kudu ba ile ba re laletša mo moketing wa bona wo e a bego a tlo dula setulo sa gagwe sa bogoši bjale ka mmakgoši gomme ka ge re le bakgatla le rena go tloge malomeng ka batswadi ba rena kgale re ile ra tlamega gore ke nnete re tle re kwe sa bona ene re tle re keteke le bona go fihleng ga nna fa ba tlo re fa history ya bona le rena ra hwetša re gona le gore re a e tseba ene ba re ga re inyalanya ra hwetša gore ke nnete re selo se se teng ya mathomo a ke bontšhe fela gore re tswalana le bakgatla ka moka gobane le rena re le bapedi re bakgatla re tswa re le bakgatla ga re tlo šala re tloga re ya kwa bopedi kwa jwale ye nyaka gore ke e bontšhe fa ko gore ga e sale re kopane le bogošiwa ba bo Rasomangana ga sanke ra boela morago ka nnete re tlo hwetša gore ke ba gabo rena bjalo ka lebaka lewe re tlo gapeletšega gore ke nnete re thekgane le bona gomme tsela e ba e swerego go swana le ya lekgono ya mokete gore a e hlohleletša ene le ya taba ya bogoši wa bona jowe e leng gore bo nyaka go tšewa ke phefo gomme e le ge bo nyaka go tšewa ke bao e leng gore ga se ba maswanedi le yona re a e thekga re re bogoši bo a tswalelwa kgoši ya belegwa bogoši bo swanetše gore bo e ka ga bo bogoši ene motho ya swantse gore e be kgoši swantse gore e be motho e leng gore o tswalana le bogoši jowe bjalo re na le ba kgošikgolo Mampuru wa bobedi le wa boraro re tlile mo lekgono le e le ge re tlo go keteka le bona tabeng ya bona ya go keteka bokgwa gomme sewe e le ge re gopotse magolokhukhu ba rena ba bakgatla ba re gopotša bona pele rena bapedi bile re ba gona re bile gona ka morago ga gore magolo a rena ba tloge mo bokgatla ba e kae ba e bopedi jwale ka go dialo re go bakgatla ba sware ba tiše gomme gore le bana ba bona le ditlogolo le ditlogolwana ba kgone go tlo tseba gore ke nnete re swanetše gore ka nnete re keteke mekete ya go swana le ye mo re kgopotšago bagolo ba tala ba kgalajwe gore kgone go tseba mo re yago
mme Sonatapelo Pilane o buile ka katlego ya letsatsi leo
re ne re le mo moletlong ngwao bo sware bo tshwere kwano le setlheng mo kgotleng ya ga Rasomangane jo go ne go le monate tiro e tsamaile sentle sengwe le sengwe se ne se ipereka ka ntlha ya modimo re leboga Jehova o kwa godimo gore tshwara motshegare otlhe re ne re na le baeng ba Platinum TV re na le Kgatleng FM re na le Ntate Abina Setso ne go le monate thata re le ka moso le ne le re thekgeng TV gonne go ne go tsamaya sentle dilo tsotlhe di itsamaisa ngwao boswa go buiwa puo yotlhe ya teng go ribololwa re tsamaile phakela ka 5 ra ya ko lebitleng kwa Bopitiko kwa morago ga Sun City ra boa ra tle rapa dilo tsotlhe di iperekile dijo di tswa mo bathong Jehova ke ena fela o re motshepileng tiro e tsamaile sentle go fitlha ko bofelong sengwe le sengwe se diragetse hallelujah amen ke ntse ke re ka leina la Jesu amen ya mme wa rona ke marona ke marona kaeka re a morata re solofela ebile a tla re tsosolosa gonne leadership yengwe e ntse le borre thata ha re ba sole gope ke borre mare ka re ga tlo tshwara ke mme ka fa bogaleng re tlo go siama re tlo re sa re gore borre ne ba sa siama re tlo go tsamaya ka tsela re itumetse thata gonne bo mme ba saldisiwa go morago gote ba ka se kgone mme ra mmana wa rona o tlo kgona ra mmana masisi a le mo gare ga ona o tlo go tswa o tlo go kgona re marona re etelle fela ja go ntse o re tshwere jalo e re ga tsotlhe di diragala di feleletsa pheletsong ka ntlha modimo o go le godimo o bontse o itse bana ba gago fo tlase o ba tse fela jaaka ka go latelana ga bona o se kgetole re a leboga
Hangaka Justice Pilekgosi le Nsithibi ka tsa merabe haholoholo morabe wa bagatla ba gafela o hlalositse ka letsatsi leo
nna ke Dr. Justice Pilekgosi ke emefa mo lapeng la Mantrisi e le gore ke rangwane wa bogosi ba bagatla ba gafela mo Republic of South Africa ke o e ke le nna fana ntate mogolo ne le Masibane Pilane o e leng rangwane wa bogosi mo motseng wa mo Lesetlheng mme rragwe ne le Moatshe o lene a na rometswe fa e le rangwane go tla go supporta bogosi ba ga Kgosi Ditlhaki mo letsatsing le la ka tseno ke tshwentse ka bega tota ke begelele setšhaba sa South Africa yotlhe gore re kgonne go fitlhelela seo re neng re se solofetse re bone batho ba tlile le matshwiti re bone le baeng ba le teng ebile re itumetse e le tota tsamaiso e nnile sentle ka tse tsotlhe ke ka leboga le ba botlhe ba tlileng ba re supporta including lona ba Northwest Platinum TV le ba botlhe ba neng ba le fa Bokgosi Mampuru go tswa kwa Mamoni Sekhukhune Land gaufi le Jane Fairs re itumetse le tota ba kgatla ba tlile re leboga ba botlhe ba ba neng ba le fa bona re bone ba bina bontle bana ba ga Tau Nakedi wa mmino wa setso mme le bontate ba setso go tswa ko Limpopo ba ropeletse bontle tota e ne le ngwao boswa e re lebogetseng tota nna ke itumetse
ha re ne re phethela puisano re kopane le sebini sa letsatsi ebile e le moetapele wa sehlopha sa mmino wa Setswana Malome Tau wa rotse maikutlo a hae le yena
lambo botlhe nna ke bitswa gote Malome Tau Black Lion ke tlhaga ke le ko motseng wa Mabela Pudi mme kwa lapeng ke ko Madikwe so ne re laleditswe go tla mo heritage celebration mo kgotlakgolo ya Ntate Tsumangana mo Lesetleng go nile monate ne ke le artist of the day then go nile monate bo Kgosi Mampuru ne ba le teng go le monate ya no ke nako a dijo ra go ja ra leboga
ha ratela pele Letona Kgwabure o bontshitse mathata matlole a lefapha la thuto ya motheo Letona la thuto ya motheo Siviwe Kgwabure o boletse hore nyoloho ya meputso ho sektora ya mmuso hodimo ha sekgahla sa hajala sa inflation ho qolotswe jwalo ka le le la mabaka a ka morao ho mathata a matlole ho lefapha la thuto ya motheo Kgwabure o ntshitlehetse metjha ya ditaba ka ho kgaolwa ha ditekanyetso sektoreng ya thuto
It's very important for me to come and brief not only members of the media, but I think South Africans in general regarding the harsh reality that our education system is under immense financial pressure. It's no secret that in the recent weeks, several provincial departments of education have been vocal regarding the budget pressures that they are currently facing. And these pressures are not just a recent occurrence, but they have been years in the making due to aggressive budget cuts, economic stagnation, fiscal management across government, mismanagement across government, which is now affecting our frontline services. These budget pressures are not just numbers on spreadsheets, but they translate to fewer teachers, reduced textbooks, fewer admin support staff, which means that teachers spend more time on admin work, thereby reducing learning and teaching time. In essence, the very fabric of our children's future is now under threat if we continue in this current trajectory. In provinces like the Western Cape, we've already seen the decision to reduce the basket of teaching posts for 2025, a move that may result in fewer educators in classrooms. This may mean larger class sizes, reduced individual attention for learners, and ultimately a risk to the achievement of quality education outcomes. Unfortunately, the other provinces throughout the country are also in similar positions, with many desperately trying to find ways to avoid having to top slice their budgets for key services like textbooks provisions, like admin support or scholar transport programs. The Deputy Minister and I have been in constant engagement with the provinces to support them during this challenging time. We have committed ourselves to doing everything we can to stabilize the system and have appealed to provinces to retain the basket of posts that they currently have in order for us to not affect the frontline services or compromise the education outcomes that we desperately want to improve. We must also appreciate the work that the provinces have done around the clock to help the sector stabilize and to get to grips with these challenges. I have witnessed MECs working tirelessly with their provincial departments to protect teaching and learning in our schools. We are faced with a pending national crisis, one that affects not just learners, but our teachers, our principals, and broader communities. It's crucial that we understand that this crisis is not confined to just one province or one aspect of the education sector, but it is wide-spreading. Provincial education departments will, in the next 2 to 3 years, find it increasingly difficult to fund their existing basket of posts and existing programs within their available budget, unless we take measures to proactively mitigate this risk. Let me make an example. For the 2025-2026 year, 4 provincial departments will battle to cover their budgets. For the 2026-2027 financial year, 5 provinces will battle to cover their budgets. For 2027 and 2028 financial year, 7 provinces will be unable to afford their budgets. So several provinces have preserved the same basket of posts for the past 3 academic years, despite the fact that learner numbers are increasing, while other provinces have decreased the posts in the past 3 years. It is important that when we're talking about the retention of posts or decreased posts, we mean that these have been cut in posts and not in warm bodies. So let me explain, meaning that no person or teacher is retrenched, but it means that often posts or vacancies that appear or that come into the system are then not filled. And this is an important distinction because often people are saying teachers are being retrenched. But ultimately, where there are vacancies, we must fill them in order for us to protect.
Kgwabure hape o buile ka mo tšhelete e neng e sebediswa ho pholosa dikgwebo tsa mmuso tse neng di tshwasehile e ka be e sebedisitswe go ntlafatsa matlole a lefapha la thuto.
Moreover, our spending priorities need realignment in government. Between 2013 and 2023, the government spent 331 billion rand bailing out state-owned enterprises. This figure is staggering, especially when you consider the opportunity cost, because we could have funded our education sector, our healthcare sector, and economic infrastructure. Instead, this was funneled to SOEs at the tune of 331 billion. The other issue that has led us here is wasteful expenditure and corruption, which has hollowed out our state coffers. Between 2014 and 2023, South Africa has lost an estimated 1.5 trillion rand in economic value to corruption. Money which again could have been used to build schools, pay teachers, improve learning conditions. Instead, it was used to line the pockets of a few. In addition to all of these things, over the past 15 years, our public sector salary increases have consistently outpaced inflation, with some years seeing an increase as high as 8 to 10%. While we must always make sure that we fairly compensate our public servants, these above inflation increases have rendered the public wage bill completely unaffordable and accounting for nearly 35% of government spending.
Ha re tswela pele tabeng tsa rona, Eco-Training e ne e phamisa letsatsi la ditshukudu ka la 22 kgweding ena ya Loetse. Lefatshe le ile la kopana bakeng sa letsatsi la lefatshe la ditshukudu e le sehopotso ho tshireletsa bokamoso ba ditshukudu. Ka letsatsi leo, Eco-Training e phamisitse taba ya tshireletso ya ditshukudu jwalo ka enngwe ya diphoofolo tse kgolo tse hlano. Ntwa ya ho pholosa enngwe ya diphoofolo tse kgolo tsa lefatshe e dutse e potlakile haholo, mme ho ya ka tlaleho ya 2023 ho tswa ho motheo wa matjhaba wa ditshukudu lefatshe ka bophara di dutse palong e tlase ho dikete tse 27. Moe ke beha tsena mona re kena tsa matjhaba di a latela. Hakamada wa Japani ya neng a hloletswe lefu ka mora dilemo tse 46 ha a molato. Motshwaruwa ya dutseng nako e lelele ka ho fetisisa lefatsheng ka morao a hlolelwa lefu o fumane a se molato ka mora hore lekgotla la dinyewe la Japane le laele ha bopaki bo ka hodimo o bile ba iqapelwa. Mme raditebele wa mehleng ya dilemo di 88 wa Hakamada o bile tjhankaneng dilemo tse 46 a beilwe ho ba hloletswe lefu ka mora ho fuwa kotlo ka mora ho bolaya monga hae selemong sa 1968 mosadi le bana ba babedi. Mafokosi a ile a senya bopaki ka ho bokena ka diaparo tse ileng tsa fumanwa madi ho tsona tseo ba ileng ba di pata tankeng ya miso, mme sena se boletswe ke lekgotla la lebatowa la Shizuoka. Ke beha tsena tsa matjhaba mona re hatela pele ka kgwebo. Sapo e hloka matlole hore e phele. Haeba post office kwala mamati ya teng kgweding e tlang ya Mphalane tlasa kgaelo ya matlole a ho pholosa kgwebo, sena e tlilo ho ba sesupo sa pheletso ya enngwe ya dikhampani tse kgolo ka ho fetisisa Afrika Borwa, ebile e le kgwebo enngwe ya mmuso e kgolokgolo. Ditsebi tsa pholoso ya kgwebo ya Sapo ba nnile ba jwetsa maloko a palamente hore ho hlokahala tjhelete e ka 3.8 bilione ho pholosa kgwebo ena ho qoba hore e qhebediswe kgweding e tlang. Motlatsi wa letona la dikgokahanyo Mondli Gungubele o boletse ha mmuso o ikemiseditse ho fana ka matlole. Le ha le jwalo, o boletse ha lefapha la ditjhelete tsa naha le hloka leano le felletseng bakeng sa pholoso ya kgwebo ho etsa bonnete hore post office ha e tswelle ho monya mokotla wa setjhaba. Pholoso ya ha jwale e tla eba keketseho ya 10.4 bilione e ileng ya entwa ho yona dilemong tse 10 tse fetileng, nakong eo ileng ya lahlehelwa ke 19 billion rand. Ha ratela pele ho kgwebo, dihwai di a lahlehelwa ke maemo ana a lehodimo. Dingongoreho di ntse di tota ka ditahlehelo le ditjeo tse bakwang ke morwalla wa lehlwa o otlileng dikarolo tsa naha bekeng e fetileng. Province ya KwaZulu-Natal, Freistata le Eastern Cape ke tsona tse hodimo ebile ke tse bapalang karolo ho sektara ya tsa temo. Le dihwai mabatoweng ana di tla tlameha ke ho ipapisa le maemo a mpefetseng a lehodimo le mafelong ana a beke, jwalo ka ha ba bolipi ba hlokomedisitse hore maemo e tla eba a mabe hape. Jwalo ka ha dihwai ha jwale di ntse di kopanya le tshenyehelo, ditsebi le ba ka hare ho di industry ya temo ba re ba ngongorehile haholo. ke be mona kgwebo rona re phethela ka dipapadi di a latela. Protease di malalalaotswe bakeng sa Ireland ka mora hore ba otlwe ntlha tse pedi ho elengwe ke Afghanistan ho le thathamala ODI la beke fitile mane Sharjah. Protease di hloka ho rala moralo wa bona hantle ho qoba ho sulafallwa hape ho le thathamala papadi tse pedi kgahlano le Ireland mane Abu Dhabi mafelong ana a beke. Ha jwale Ireland e tlase haholo ka makgetlo a mahlano ho di renke tsa T20 tsa matjhaba ile ya lahlehelwa kapa ya lahlehelwa kantle pulong ya sedikadikwe sa mohope wa lefatshe wa T20 ke West Indies le United States ka kgwedi ya Phupjane. Dibapadi tse 10 le metso e tsheletseng tseo e bileng karolo e hlotsweng bekeng e fetileng ke Afghanistan ba 10 le metso e mmedi ba tla sala bakeng sa papadi ena le Ireland. Themba Bavuma, Tony Dizozi, Andile Phuhlukwayo le Kyle Ferreira ha ba kene letsholong lena ba tla kena papading e tlang ya bekeng e tlang. Matthew Priske, Patrick Kruger le Ryan Kegleton ke bona ba tlang ho kena ho ya Ireland. Ha re ratela pele ho tsena tsa dipapadi re lekole sehlopha kapa sephetho sa Betway Premiership bahlanka Banabi ileng Kaizer Chiefs bontshitse kgolo nakong eo ba bolokang tlholo ya ntlha tse tharo ilengwe kgahlano le AmaZulu le balella Moses Mabhida Durban letsatsi la maobane. Mr Bosch se bontshitse bokgabane ha ba ne ba otla Cape Town City ka dintlha tse tharo ho noto ho Western Cape Derby le balella Athlone. Mme SuperSports United e hlotse TX Galaxy ka ntlha ilengwe ka thata ibile ile tlholo ya bona ya pele ho Betway Premiership le balella TUT. Sekhukhune United le Chippa United di bapetse Maleka ka ntlha ilengwe le baleng la Peter Mokaba. Ha jwale Mamelodi Sundowns e dutse hodimo ho loko ya Betway Premiership. Mo le tsena tsa dipapadi ke di bea mona ibile ke khutlo ya ditaba tsa letsatsing la kajeno lo fihlela go tlang hape na le mefodi taba rata ha re wena e tshu khotso.